What's going on, everyone? We're here, another day, another dollar. You know what it is. You know what we do. You know how we do it. You know. You know. You know. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So today, what am I doing? I frankly, honestly, truly, deeply, in the depths of my soul, I don't know what I'm going to do today. I mean, I got 2 hours to spend with y'all. I think I might do a little system maintenance. Might do a little stream maintenance. Might bring some people on. Uh let's see. Let's see. Maybe I'll bring on some people from Discord. But today it's Friday, which is kind of the day that I do kind of whatever if I don't have resumes to review, you know? So I'm just gonna hop into the old stream channel in my Discord. And if anyone wants to hang out and chat while I randomly, try to accomplish a stream, hop down into the stream waiting list and you can come on and heckle, No racial slurs allowed, but other than that, do as you please, man. So there's a couple of things we could do. We could learn how FontForge works a little bit. Let's throw open Alacrity here. Full screen this piece. Make the text a little bit bigger. So you guys all remember cd.config/alacrity/ or no, I want to vi.config alacrity.toml. So you guys remember last time we did the family equals, what do I call this? Perfect font? Is this the one? Is this what I'm talking about? Where's the hash? I don't know where the hash is. There we go. So I got the font. We could make some adjustments. Maybe make this a little bit less totally useless and unreadable. Otherwise, there's some system maintenance. I just need to brew update and brew upgrade and brew upgrade cask and brew cleanup. So that's fun. So we can do that. All sorts of stuff going on. Do some little system maintenance. Maybe I add some more interactivity to my Twitch server. I know on Twitch there's a bunch of things people do. They have auto mod and various things. I don't have like one of these like exclamation mark whatever setups. Maybe I ought to do one of those. Bro got his terminal in Wingdings. It's not far off. But I made this font, dog. I made this font. You can't be hating on a font I made. Got the YouTube video where you see the entire process condensed down. I don't know if you've seen this. Let's see, videos. This bad boy. Let's copy this link. I mean, I put in over 30 minutes of work into making this font. And what's crazy is how nearly readable it is. Like, it's not supremely readable. It's not, like, good. But, like, you could almost use it if you wanted to. And what I want to learn how to do is figure out how to set up chat rewards so that, like, people can, like, ask me to do silly stuff once they've watched my chat enough. I think that's going to be very important. I think that's going to be one of the hallmarks of my streaming. Font tutorial win. Hey man, you just gotta go watch the stream. You'll see I don't know what I'm doing, and I found this app. What's it called? It wasn't FontForge. It was a different one. Though I think FontForge is actually the one to use. I think FontForge is actually a much nicer program than it would have you believe. I mean, it looks like crap, but like I think it's a little bit more fully featured than some of these other ones. I wonder, maybe I should make my own emoji set. I could do emojis in this bad boy. That'd be kind of fun. I could do that for a little while. So we got some of these. I don't have all of the little symbols. But you know, lot of font stuff going on here. Ooh, I could just redo Japanese symbols. What's this one? This one's like a one of the. Oh no, I gotta hold on. I gotta. So it's like a one of the. Okay, all right. So it's like a this, and it goes out here, and then it goes down here, and then ka-chow. So it's one of those. I could do one of those. That's fun. So that doesn't actually have anything in it because I need to fill in the rest of it, make it blocky. I don't know how to do that. But where are the emojis? I got to scroll all the way down to the emojis. How far is this? Jeez, there's a lot. Also, it looks like I don't have enough fonts installed to even see what these are supposed to be. I need to install like a better emoji font or something. Like where are my emojis? Where are my emojis at? What's the Unicode for where do the emojis start in Unicode? That's what I want to know. We got recycling symbols, got decks of cards. We got all sorts of stuff. All right, some of these look like my actual font. This little thing, one of these, that thing. I'm going to be honest, this thing looks like the tip of a penis. I hate to say it, but that's what that looks like, a crude drawing. I think this is very distasteful fonts. And of course, I need a backslash. I mean, that's going to be important. Let's get this thing going. Let's get a backslash. And then how do I fill this thing in? How do I, is there like a fill this thing in option? Right click. Name point, name contour. I don't know how to do this. Element. Strokes. I don't know how any of this works, man. Expand stroke. One of these days I'll learn how to do this, and then I'll do a tutorial on how to use it. I'm gonna not save that. Oh, look at that! My system maintenance is done. Let's open this config file back up and not be using this. And then let's get rid of that. Oh, that's suddenly readable. All right. So how do you set up stream interaction on Twitch? That's what I want to do. Twitch.tv. So we got good old Twitch. Very fun, very fun. Got my boy the Coppinger here. That's fun. Anyway, let's go into the old channel. This isn't what I want. Anyway, this is just me. Let's go into. You guys all see this. This is useless. Settings. Where do I go to change my? How does this even work? How do you like add Twitch? What are those things called where somebody has like so many loyalty points and they can spend it on stuff? Loyalty points stuff. How does that work? Channel points. This is good. This is good. Guys, we're setting up channel points. Hop in the chat with what you think the channel point should be used for. So I got to enable the channel points on the creator dashboard. So where's that? Creator dashboard, channel points. Where is channel points? I think this might be the thing that's stopping me from like going absolutely crazy is no channel points. Analytics, community. Is that where? No, roles manager, activity, follower list. Shout out to my followers. Big respect to y'all. You'd love to see it. Where do you go to do the channel points? Community? So I got alerts. Gotta be honest. I don't know what a hype train is. I don't know how that works. Channel points to in stream? Bro! Honestly, I'll do it. I don't care. Oh, we gotta turn on that stuff. All right. Settings. Channel. Is this where you turn on channel points? Where do you go to turn on channel points? Also, I think I can do a better color. I think this, I think like a dark pink is more like it. Featured content, stream events. Where do I turn on channel points? It says it's in the creator dashboard. But where's the button? Where's the channel points button? How to turn on channel points Twitch. What's going on? How to set up and customize Twitch channel points. Great. So it's under viewer rewards, channel points. There we go. So we got channel points turned on. So we can put images here to represent your stuff. So obviously what we're going to do is we're going to go into NP Mail. Where do I put my stream stuff? I think that's stream assets. There we go. You know what? I know where it is. I'm just going to go source. I'm just going to find it, grab them from my website. Gmail.com, public. No, that's a favicon.ico. It's not here. It's not here. Where the heck? Dist? Well, that's not useful. Icons, raw assets. Nope. Assets? Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's throw a pog here. Image does not have the required dimensions. Great. All right. I guess I'll reset that to default. I see. So this is the different balances to represent your points. These should be PNGs with transparent backgrounds and a maximum file size of 25 KB. All right. The points are going to be called Cool Dude Appreciation Tokens. That's not going to work. All right, let's just call them tokens. So you get tokens. All right, let's get some rewards going. Smart cost for single default rewards. Now for individual rewards. Smart cost will automatically adjust. Great. Community challenges. Custom rewards. Default rewards. Highlight my message. Unlock a random sub emote. Send a message in sub-only mode. We'll turn that one off. I don't turn on sub-only mode at all. Choose an emote. That's fine. Modify a single emote. That's fine. All right. Let's throw down some more rewards. Custom rewards. Visit the collection. Hero request, name generator. Oh, you know what? I'm not playing any music. Oh, that's way too loud. Oh, no. There we go. All right, but this is just all music, and let's go genres. Electronic. Sort by trending now. Bus Stop Sunrise by Amber Waldron. All right, so this is that good stuff. This is that good stuff. So what rewards do you want on this thing? Ban an in-game action. Drop it. I don't have weapons. You get to name a character. Nope, that's not how that works. Choose hero. This is all games. IRL. Hydrate. Oh, we're throwing that one in there. Posture check. Don't need it. My posture is impeccable. And if my posture goes down, I can't. I hide behind my microphone and I can't see the screen or anything. So posture check is useless. Stretch, useless. Hats off, useless. No cursing. Oh, that's gonna be fun. IRL word ban. We're throwing that one in there. Sing mode. Fantastic. You want me to? This one, IRL voice ban. They want me to STFU? I'm down. What else we got? Timeout. Suggest a poll. Touch grass. Ad time. Oh, I'm throwing in the ad time. Time out somebody else. Guide the raid. I think I'll let somebody guide a raid. All right, so let's add a new custom award. This one's gonna be called Bunny Ears. Nate dons the bunny ears for the remainder of the stream. We'll throw some text in there. Cost, I don't know. What's it? What should be 1,000? 1,000 points. The background color, of course, is going to be pink because the bunny ears are pink. So that's good. Is there notification window? Bunny ears, okay. Skip reward request queue. Cooldown and limits, And we'll do another one. End the stream now. Nate will close the stream to stream another day. It will close the stream immediately. And that will cost not 1, not 10, not 100, not 1,000, not 10,000, but 100,000. Oh, shit. All right, I'll be right back. Aiden, you're one weird fella, I tell you what. Anyway, this will be 100,000 for me to end the stream. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. You know, I'm not gonna allow people to unlock emotes just for watching me. No, they gotta pay. That's right. This ain't no charity. So we got that figured out. Fantastic. Is there anything else in here? No, this is all lame. Oh, I need to do one more for new customer award. So this is going to be use stupid Nate font 10 minutes. Nate will use the dumb font that created on stream for 10 minutes. This one's going to be 10K. Oh, that's 100. 10K. And of course the color is going to be green. Great. There we are. Now we got that stuff. And thank you, Aiden, for beta testing. This is good. I appreciate it. Emotes. I haven't went and took any more photos, so I don't have any more emotes. Drops. I don't know how this works. How do the drops work? Can I like get people to? Hey, how does this? I guess it's enabled. Make sure on the stream member the stream categories. Oh, you have to set it to the. I see. That makes sense. That makes sense. So I'm not playing any of these games, so I don't do the stream drops thing. Rewards, meh. So we have extensions. This could be interesting. I wonder if there's any. Does anyone know of any good extensions that we should throw on here? Twitter feed, chess, crowd click. I don't know. Are any of these good? Do I want any of these? Instagram feed? My Amazon wish list? Oh, that'd be really funny. Emote meter. Sticker overlay. Yeah, I don't think I care too much for that. So we got that stuff all figured out. What other random various maintenance do I need to do? I need to get it so that Pape Changer starts up automatically. The problem is Pape Changer isn't building. Firefox. It's not building in what's it called? In OBS, you can create layers that are just browser sources. Yes, I'm aware. The border you see around me, as well as the border around the content window, those borders are just browser sources, which is pretty neat. I was just showing this off earlier. If I go to file : / this thing, this is the window, and then I just have a URL parameter to put whatever I want in the thing up here. And then this, this is just blank space in the background. I wonder what I could do that would be neat. That could go on there. That I could use as an overlay. What's something good to go on as a stream overlay? I mean, one of the things I need is on my OBS scene. This at the bottom is just static, and what I can do is I can make this clock update with real time by making a browser source that is that. And that would actually not be very difficult, I don't think. Maybe I do that real quick. Create a waifu character, but it's just your face. I make a very ugly waifu. I mean, I know I'm fulfilling everyone's fantasies by wearing the bunny ears, but this is about as close to a cute waifu as I can get. Whoop. There we go. That's better. So let's see. What is this DDoS? Oh, I remember that. I was gonna do something with this. What?
5-man also.
There we go. I was gonna do something with that. Anyway. Maybe I should just have that as one of my windows. Just have that be sitting out there someplace. Oh, I can do that right now. I could just I'll move my chat box over a little bit. Take the Nate window, move that up here. Take the chat window, move it down here. I'll just make another window. Let's make a new one. Browser. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna copy the existing chat border. Copy. And then paste. Where'd it go? I pasted it. Oh, here it is. There's my other chat border. So I'll put this down here. So then that is this other chat border. So that goes down here someplace. And then I just need to make this, instead of 400 by 400, I want it to be in 16 by 9 aspect ratio. So let's see. What do I do with that? You know what? I'm just gonna, hold on a second. I'm just gonna do a media source, local file, loop, restart playback, use hardware decoding, close when inactive, show nothing when playback ends. So it'll be npmail. And where did I have that? Did I have that in my home directory? Where was that file? Dancing Lasers Raw.mkv. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Open. Okay.
5-man also.
There we go.
And then
I
for me,
think
I'm
the only thing I have that's even close to being BIS gear is my sword, which I bought, and my my goggles, which I made.
So this
I don't know,
is
what
this
does
is
a
about
goggles
right.
say, or I mean a helmet say for that same 5-man?
Oh, I need
also.
to edit it a little bit. I need to make this thing a perfect loop. Let's delete that.
And then
'Cause
for
I
me,
think
I'm
the only thing I have that's even close to being
Chat, content
BIS
window, chat
gear
border,
is
desktop
my
background,
sword,
source
which I
two.
bought, and my
where's the delete
goggles,
button?
which I made.
Suppose I
I
could
don't
just
know,
hit
what does a
delete key.
goggles say, or I mean a helmet say for that same
Source 2. I'll remove this other chat border while I'm at it. I'll move this. There we go. Okay, so let's edit a little video here. What's the best thing? Lossless cut. So where was it? Dancing Lasers Raw.mkv.
5-man.
It's got an audio track, so I don't need to hear any audio. Mini waveform has been enabled. How do I delete the audio tracks? Oh, discard audio. Oh, it's still playing it though. Discard audio. Let's. How do I just turn the audio off? Oh, there it is. So I just need to get as much dancing as possible. So let's go in there. I mean, this is content, I tell you what. Nope. So I need to go right before I go into click. There we go. So let's re-export this. We'll call this, we'll save this just to my home directory. So this will be Dancing Lasers. Cut. Simple is missing $ext. $. EXT. There we go. Looks good. Export. Export is done. Fantastic. Dancing Lasers Raw. Oh, well, I have this thing in here. Alright. I want Dancing Lasers Cut. Open with MPV. Alright, this is more like it. So then what we'll do is we will go back to our OBS. Just add that bad boy to the scene. Nothing to it. Media source. Laser dance. Is this song like playing all over again? No, it's just very repetitive. That would explain it. So we need dancing lasers cut. Open that bad boy. Okay. We'll just make this go down here. Move this all the way to the bottom. What just happened? Where'd it go? It's gone. Oh, you know what? It needs to go. Oh yeah, it's above the. Where'd it go? Or did I accidentally put it inside of one of these? Oh, there we go. Where'd it go? Oh, you know what? I didn't set it to loop. Loop. There we go. Now we're talking. This is good. This is good. So that right there. And we'll just copy the screen border. Copy. And then we will Command V. There we go. Let's make sure I'm not... Oh, no, I'm editing both of them. That's the problem. Can't be doing that. So here's what we'll do is we'll do properties. Change this back. And then what we'll do is we will delete this one. And we'll just make a new one. So we'll grab the properties out of this one, copy this, new one, browser source, dancing window, paste that in there, paste. Oh no, it didn't copy the thing. I'm over it. So over it. Getting rid of that. Don't mind me just shitposting on Discord. Alright. Gotta keep my skills up. Hitting some monkey type. Oh. $93. Not my best work. Not my best work. $98. I'm gonna beat 100 real quick. Oh, I'm feeling it. Oh. Oh. Not quite. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. 100. Screwed that one up. Yeah, I'm just not gonna hit backspace. I don't even care. I can't even break my brain to not back up and fix my mistakes. Too much of a perfectionist. This is awful. This is awful. Totally useless. Anyway, let's get back into it. What was I gonna do? I swear I was gonna do something interesting. Oh, I was gonna make my my thing full screen. Or no, I was gonna make my the time at the bottom update. Well, that's what I was gonna do. CD stream assets. Stream overlay assets. Where was that web thing? Oh, I see, window.html. So I'll just do a new one. We'll just call it time.html. Oh! Someone just redeemed a stream thing. I gotta go hydrate. Oh! Crazy, I gotta go do that. Forgot my water. What I really appreciate is how I leave the stream and inexplicably I come back and there's more viewers. What's going on, Ronan RU? Thanks for the first time chat. You know, this is good stuff. Gotta go shitpost in Discord more. Anyway, if you want to get in on the Discord shit posting, just join the Discord. It's a good time. But now we are building a time thing. So what we're going to do is to make this an HTML document. Wow, fantastic. The head is going to have nothing. No head. But the body is going to have something. It's going to be a, not a div, but a paragraph. And then we're going to end the paragraph here. And then it's going to have the current time. So here's what we'll do. We'll just say JavaScript get current time. This looks like a hassle. This looks like a hassle. This looks like a hassle. Date. What is all this about? What is all this about? Inherent from date prototype. So I just say date.today. Or date.time now. Let's throw open a good old node. Terminal node d equals, let's see, let d equals new date. Is that how that works? That's not how you do that. I wasn't paying attention. Let's try this again. Get current date JavaScript. Get the current date in JavaScript. New date, 2JSON slice. What? What are we doing? I don't even want that. I want get current time JavaScript. New date. Well, this is beautiful already. Is that right now? Oh, that is literally already 3:16 dot. So what do I do for current time zone? Dates in JS are famously awful to work with. Well, I've just signed up to do it, so you know. To locale time string. Dot to locale time string. This actually looks perfectly good for me. So we'll say p class equals date zone, and that's difficult to read with the Firefox behind it. Let's get rid of this Firefox. So we got the date zone, and then we'll do a script. We'll put this in the head. Actually, we'll put this in the bottom here. Script slash script. So we got the script. We're gonna get the I don't know. How do we get something that happens every second? To loop. There's some like await, second, timeout, something. Forget what that's called. Set interval. No, this is what I want. Await new promise resolve set timeout. Yeah. This is what I want. But what's set interval? JavaScript set interval. Does it just run something at an interval? That'd be beautiful. For by window, blah, 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 set interval. What does this do? Method returns an interval ID, blah, blah, blah. Repeatedly calls a function or executes a code. Well, that's exactly what I want with a fixed time delay between each call. Beautiful. And it just takes in the func. Got it. So what we'll do is we'll set interval. Yeah. Set interval, and then it'll be our like function. There we go. We'll do an arrow syntax. So we'll have our function, and then we'll call in. I'm guessing it's going to be in milliseconds, centiseconds, millisecond. I don't know, whatever. And then we'll just say document dot body dot. I don't even know what I'm doing. Let's just open this thing up in Firefox and do it in the console. File : / users / np mail / stream - assets. And of course, it's not going to show me anything. Oh, I didn't say users. Users / oh. What was the file I went to before? This one? Alright. Let's just go here and please give me, yes, there we go. So window.html. That's not the one I wanted. I wanted time.html. Throw open the old inspector. We'll throw open the old console. So we'll say document dot get. How do I? Pin child. I don't want that. I don't want any of these things. Get element by ID. All right. So let's make this an ID. ID equals date zone. And then we'll just get rid of all this. maybe smaller. And I need this window to, I don't know what I want this window to do. I suppose all I have in here is that's useful is this, so I'll just yoink this out, close that. We'll paste this in here someplace. Document dot get element by ID. That will be date zone dot inner HTML equals date new date dot to locale time string. Save this, reload it, see what we got. Is it mad at me? No, there we go. And it legitimately just works first try. I mean, put that in your JavaScript and smoke it. Got him. So this is literally all we need, except we just need in our head. We'll do a little CSS. Also, I don't know how long you've been watching Ronin, are you? But I have come so long. I legitimately have learned so much in trying to learn how to do this all on stream. My my website. Let's go to Internet Archive. Let's see if my website's in here someplace. We'll go to npmail.com. Oh. https://npmaile.com. Oh, it's saving my page right now. Anyway, I had no styling on this. I had no anything. It was just a list of stuff. It actually looked exactly like my reading list, which I haven't updated. This was my website when I started streaming, except it was all that other stuff. It was this. It was in this format. And I learned so much about stuff. I got this Three.js background. Like I got animations. When you click here. Oh, that was something I was going to do. I was going to make it so my stupid font. Shout out to my stupid font. I was going to make it so that my website changed to my stupid font when you clicked on the bottom. That's what I ought to do. I got to figure out how to do that. But first things first. Oh man, they are archiving. Anyway, now it'll be saved forever in the Wayback Machine, which I'm happy about. Anyway, style. This will be dot. I forget how CSS selectors work. So it's dot class hashtag ID. So we'll say hashtag date zone. And we'll say text, what is it, color equals colon white in quotes. Is that what you do? All right, I'm gonna assume that worked. Oh, but it. Color white and then a semicolon. I forgot the semicolon as well. All right. That work? That, I think, is actually all we need. So let's go back and do good old OBS. And you know, I'll make the background a light blue color. That way I don't have to worry about anything. Teal. That's good enough for government work. So let's copy this. Throw it in my OBS. New browser input. We will call it time. And we will just paste it in here. Doesn't even matter what size it is because it's going to go all the way down here. And no one's ever going to see it. Let's make it a little smaller. A little smaller yet. Oh, beautiful. Oh, it's perfect. And by perfect, I mean bad, but like, I don't care. So we got that. People think I'm not a front end developer. Come on. How about you give me a challenge? In the words of me, give me a challenge. My mental advantage will prove to be beyond. Everything that comes out of your computer is a waste of time. Forge and pewter. Everything that comes out of mine is a. I don't even. What's the name of that app? Music. Let's pause this fake music and play that real stuff. You know what I'm talking about? I forget which one it is. Is this the one? Yo, you know who it is? Here to talk about code quality. Specifically, the difference between your code quality and my code quality. Let's get into it. I write code faster. Both runtime and the key. 98 words a minute, you just cannot match my speed. Rust, C++, Go, Python, Java, Haskell, Lisp, come on. Give me a challenge, my mental advantage will prove to be beyond. Your tiny little pea brain can't work without help. You program with Copilot, now that's a code smell. I wake up and install Arch Linux for fun. I code for an hour, the program is done. Your app is crap. Your game is lame. Your site is shite. You are a shame. Everything that comes out of your computer is a waste of time, forged and pewter. On the other hand, look what comes out of mine. It's like a beautiful gold statue, wits refined. My dominance, incalculable. My prominence is palpable. My personality, affable. What do you have? Carpal tunnel? Yikes. It wouldn't be me. It simply would not be me. I don't know who it would be, but it ain't me. I'm gonna let the beat ride out. That reminds me, I got another beat from the guy who sent me that first beat, and I never did anything with it. Let's take a listen.
Walk in this bitch with a nuke. Walk in this bitch with a nuke. Legalize nuclear bombs. Walk in this bitch with a nuke. Walk in this bitch with a nuke.
Now, sadly, it's not a full beat. This is only 43 seconds. How do I pause? So I gotta, guys. Do I dare record a rap song live on stream? Is that what I do today? I'm kind of considering it. Really considering it. You know? You know what? It's only 43 seconds. I can write 43 seconds worth of bars. All right. So of course you have that walk in this bitch with a nuke. So I gotta incorporate nuclear weaponry into my rap. So let's get some ideas going. And feel free to just chat it up, see what's going on in here. So vi nuke.lyrics.md. All right. So first of all, we're gonna say like concepts, of course, nukes. So then of course I'm a programming and nukes. What do nukes do? They're hot and bright. So that's gonna be hot, bright. They kill lots of people. Let's see. What's hot when I'm programming? So obviously my keyboard is hot. The processor is hot. Monitors. What else is there? RAM go burr. Yeah, of course. RAM. Other parts of a computer. Walk in this bitch with a nuke. So I'm trying to think what else is going on when we're writing code and using nuclear weaponry. So of course, what else we got to think about? So it's like a very dangerous thing, right? So maybe there's something like when I step in with a keyboard, it's like I walked in this bitch with a nuke, or something. When I hit the keyboard, you better watch out, because my programming skills are as though a nuke occurred. Crashing versus code. So the problem is I don't want the concept to be like, if I show up into your business and I start writing code, it's as though I've brought a nuke because I'm going to tear down the entire thing. I don't want that. Like as a rap persona, I got to make sure it's like, no, I'm the best. You all suck. I've walked in here with like a nuclear bomb full of like, not death and destruction, but like good code and like test-driven development, right? Crashing VS Code. Now, see, that makes sense. So if I say like, let's get some like, let's listen to this beat again real quick.
Walk in this bitch with a nuke. Walk in this bitch with a nuke. Legalize nuclear bombs.
Words and concepts. I got the got things on my mind. Booking all the crack, blah 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 words, concepts and ideas. You know what you've heard and shit. I don't know. I'm not a lot's coming to my head right now, but I think we listen to this beat a couple more times. Okay. So I definitely let it say walk in this bitch with a nuke twice. So maybe say like I'm the most dangerous thing you've ever seen. You see me when I hit the machine. I'm about to code up a storm. It's gonna be nuclear winter for you and your startup, because I'm competing with you, and I've just nuked the entire industry. I think maybe that's the idea. So like maybe the idea behind the song is like, right? So like I'm dangerous and not to be reckoned with. I think that's an important thing to get across. I need to explain that like there's going to be a nuclear winter for your entire industry. Nuclear winter for your industry once I start competing. Much like a nuke, my fingers are hot on the keyboard. What else is there? Just to compete with me, you'll burn out your best processor. And what is the best processor? I think hitting like a deep cut on like your i9 7700K is going to be thermal throttling. Best gaming processor, Intel 2024. So it's going to be a little bit dated, I'm not going to lie. Because, if you listen to this in 5 years, who cares? All right, so the i9 13900K, 147K. Threadripper, yeah. What's the best Threadripper? And I want to get like really specific. Like, what's the top like Threadripper like card here? Where do I go to choose your platform? This is just saying the platform. Where's like the specific ones? All right, 7,000 is obviously a larger number. Okay, so we can say like, all right, Threadripper Pro, AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro 7995WX. And I'm absolutely going to somehow drop that entire thing in there. And say straight up, AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro 7995WX. So then, of course, I'm on a Raspberry Pi. It's like maybe I run my entire SaaS infrastructure on a Raspberry Pi Zero, and then like your cluster of AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro 7995WX, your cluster of AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro 7995WX, not good enough to keep up with me on a Raspberry Pi. That's how good of a programmer I am. I'm the best programmer. And of course, I'm doing the shit all live. I do my stuff live. No need for an NDA. You couldn't copy me if you tried. What's NDA, and then what rhymes with NDA and is something a hater would do when they've been absolutely wrecked? They would they might spray and pray. They could try to shoot me. I'm not really interested in that though. I don't want that idea in anyone's head. NDA. Maybe the only thing left you can do is pray. All you can do is pray. So let's get some like basic lyrics down here. Let's listen to this beat again, just so we can.
Walk in this bitch with a new. Walk in this bitch with a new. Legalize nuclear bombs. Walk in this bitch with a new. Walk in this bitch with a new.
Let me find that guy who was giving me the beats. I gotta do a little more shit posting on Discord real quick. I gotta talk to him. I gotta see what's going on. Like, where was that guy? This is tough. Now I'm just scrolling through Discord trying to find one user who sent me a couple of beats one time a long time ago. This is where it really gets tough. But this is just daily maintenance in the life of a quintuple Z tier streamer, you know? Here it is. Found him. All right, so I've reached back out to him. So this is good. All right, so what else are we talking about? All right, so do my stuff live. No, don't need an NDA. You couldn't copy me if you tried. All you can do is pray. I don't smoke any drugs. That would be the next thing I would want to talk about if I was really a rapper. But you know, I'm a software engineer first and foremost, and I'm currently wearing bunny ears, so I don't know how hard I'm gonna sound. What else we got? What else we got? What's going on, Diesel?
I'm Diesel.
Diesel, thanks for showing up.
I just pop in here, unannounced.
Yeah, no worries. This is like the Friday stream, man. This is where I have guests on. No, we're not trying to really accomplish anything in particular. The viewers suggested that I work on a rap song.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, so here's what I have so far. I've been playing the beat over and over again and like writing out some concepts, some ideas, some things. Can you hear the stream if I play it?
Nuke V3.
Can you hear this?
I cannot.
Oh, I will just send it to you, and then you'll be able to hear it from there.
There's a really cool program. I don't know if you touched it. It's called Bitwig Studio.
Yeah.
It's like I don't know. What's the really fancy DAW that everyone uses?
I don't know. Logic.
Maybe Second.
The crap that you get for free when you buy a synth at Guitar Center.
Yeah, that's quite like a wide spectrum right there.
No, but it's like people use it.
Okay, what does it most resemble? Just off the top of your head.
I can't remember what it's called. Let's see. We got GarageBand, Reaper, FL Studio, Logic Pro.
Ableton.
Ableton. That's the one you
what
get for free if you buy stupid shit.
Really?
Yeah.
Anyway, I think this is better than Ableton.
Fair enough. I actually pay for. I paid once for a copy of Reason, which is another DAW.
So there's Logic and Reason.
There's Logic, Reason, Ableton. Yeah, I know. I like Reason. It comes with a bunch of instruments, and I hate going out and buying instruments and finding instruments for a DAW. But I haven't done anything in a DAW in a long time. And I kind of like the idea of rapping way more than I do sitting there like, well, do I play this cymbal backwards? Like, this sounds lame to me. Like, no offense. Like, I obviously...
Oh, yeah, man.
You
I don't
gotta,
have the attention span for it.
You know? Yeah, exactly. It's like, this is just maddening to me. This breaks my mind. And I know it's weird for me as a programmer to say, like, this sort of thing is too crazy for me, but I just don't get into it, man. Like, frankly, if I'm unironically making music, I'll play some guitar, some piano, and that's about it.
I'll play some Freebird.
Yeah, exactly. Longest song in the universe. Just hop in the Guitar Center and just hit it. So anyway, that's I just sent you the beat.
You know, I once produced a parody of God's Plan by Drake.
That's funny.
I'm not proud of it.
So what can I say? I'm like, so I got some things I want to say, right? So I'm dangerous. I'm not to be reckoned with, much like a nuke. When I start competing in your industry, it's going to be nuclear winter for you and your friends. My fingers are hot, much like a nuke. If you compete with me, you'll burn out your best processor. I run my entire SaaS infrastructure on a Raspberry Pi Zero. And you have a cluster of AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro 7995WX, and you just can't keep up. What?
You forgot the TM.
That's important. I'm not going to say TM. I'm just going to say Ryzen Threadripper Pro 7995WX. So I need to figure out something that's going to rhyme. Like, to finish the entire thing off, I want to drop AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro 7995WX. And I want it to be like one of those super complex, very stupid rhyme structures where it's like, I rhyme with AMD, I rhyme with Ryzen, I rhyme with Threadripper, I rhyme with Pro, I rhyme with 7, I rhyme with 9, I rhyme with 9, I rhyme with 5, I rhyme with W, I rhyme with X. You know what I mean?
You're going to do like some 7-dimensional rhymes.
Yeah. What's going on, Hudson? Thank you for the follow.
So what? This is really nerdy. I hope you know that.
Well, you know my last song. This one.
Yo, you know who it is? Here to talk about
you
code
can't
quality.
hear this. The one I talk about code
Specifically,
quality?
The difference between
Is that what you know, sing to your associates?
No, no, no. My associates, they have to listen to it. I send them to the studio. They throw on these exact headphones, actually. The Odyssey LCD2 Classics, hooked up to a what's it called, a DAC amp, and they got to listen to it in full fidelity, or else they're fired.
Full fidelity.
Yeah, dude.
I bet you export to like 14 kilobits.
Nah, dude. Orbis. So what's going to be a good rhyme for AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro 7995WX?
You know what I think you're doing like the first of?
Hmm.
I don't think there's ever been a single rap song that has been written in Vim.
I assure you there's been at least one rap song written in Vim, because that's where I wrote the last one.
Okay. God.
AMD, you try me, Ryzen, buy bin, Threadripper, unzipper, Pro, go, 7995WX, 11, fine pine, glue, checks. All right, so how do we turn this into a setup for you burn out your Ryzen Threadripper trying to compete with my Raspberry Pi Zero startup?
You know what? I think that you should talk about like AWS bankruptcy, because they're using this, you know, highly scalable micro service architecture when they don't have any customers.
That's really good. That's really good. Highly scalable microservice architecture plus no customers minus, where's my minus key? Minus bitches plus L plus ratio.
Pretty good. Oh, and plus bankruptcy.
Plus bankruptcy, yeah. Plus bankruptcy plus moving back in with your parents minus cloud. Okay, so we need to turn these things into rap lyrics. You try me, buy bin, unzipper, go 11, fine, pin, glue, checks, AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro 7995WX. So we just need to turn that into a sentence. Don't act like that's not like at least like 43% dope.
I don't know how you're gonna like.
So now this person's writing checks, right? So you try me, buy bin. We change this to like your cloud costs are high, then you realize I'm trying to come up with something tech related that rhymes with Threadripper that isn't Threadripper.
I mean, you could go for like a whole kind of Biggie kind of flow.
Hit that Biggie
Like,
flow.
Yeah, I think you might be able to do it.
Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna get rid of that first part. So try me, Bybin, unzipper, go 11, pine, glue checks, AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro, 7995WX. New checks.
I think it might be a little bit too much like 5-dimensional rhyming.
I want to do a little. Here's the problem. I don't have like flow or like swag or like money or any of the things a rapper needs. So all I can do is just outthink the rap community. Like that's the only thing I got. So the 5-dimensional thing is all I can do, right?
Yeah, but I don't think like butt fucking a bunch of words together is gonna do that.
You know what? You're not wrong. But also, I think this would be very funny if I have like the most complex rhyme scheme anyone's ever heard of, and I'm just like an idiot who writes code. You know what I mean? Set Getterson, are you saying rappers aren't smart? No, I'm saying they don't have to be. They can rely on, you know, having cool cars. I mean, I guess I have a cool car. I can lean into that. But they can rely on having cool cars and bitches and swagger.
Yeah, but
So they don't
you
have
don't
to
have
be
like
smart.
a Lambo or
Yeah,
a
I don't have a
Rolls
Lambo.
Royce
I don't have a Rolls Royce. I don't have a Lambo. I don't even have a Porsche, man. It's very sad. Oh, also they have lean. They do drugs. I don't do drugs. I'm like very neurotic and I don't do drugs. And I'm super like dialed in all the time, which is like the opposite of swagger.
Well, you know what you got to do, right?
Huh.
So you got to start doing drugs and making like lots of money and
I know.
buying cars you can't afford.
You're right. Try me, Bybin, unzip a Go 11, Fine Pine, new checks, AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro, 7995WX.
I think Fine Pine is a little bit too close.
Fine Pine, new checks. Threadripper Pro, 7995WX.
You need some kind of delimiter in between those two.
7995.
No, between Fine and Pine.
No, I know, but I'm trying. I'm gonna Fine Pine rhyme with 99. So if I say 9,
Oh,
you know what I'm saying? 79995WX, and then instead of so I can say find me $9,000 in new checks. AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro 7995WX. 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 You know what I'm saying? Does that make any sense to you?
you know, you're missing the big booty bitches.
I am missing big booty
That's-
bitches.
That's really what you need.
Yeah. Let's listen to the beat again.
Between your code quality
Oh, that's wrong.
and
beat.
my code quality.
Walk in this bitch with a new.
You just download that.
No, this is from a long time ago.
I mean, it sounded okay. Your instrument selection's a little wonky.
This isn't my instrument selection. This is the beat maker.
Well, that's probably worse.
Can I just like download a free beat? How does that work?
Probably.
Is there like a royalty free beat I could download? Royalty free beat. Where can I get a beat? That's too loud.
Oh
I
man,
want-
I can
want
hear
hip-hop.
this.
What?
I can actually hear this.
Oh, weird. Trying to search like rap. Alright, that's too chill. I want to say like angry things.
I think it's suiting to your lifestyle.
Too loud on stream. Yeah, let me turn that way down. It does all sound like vlog music. You're not wrong.
Too happy.
Yeah. I can make that one work. I think I can make that work.
Man, what the fuck is that symbol?
What symbol?
I don't know, the scraping sound.
Yeah. Yeah. Too happy.
The hell is this?
I don't know. I think it's gonna come in a second. All right, I want to see what this is. All right, that is like too like boom boom boom. I don't like any of this. All right, this one kind of slaps. Nope. All right. Okay. Let's just open GarageBand.
Animator.
Yeah. Nope. Yeah. Nope. 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 All right.
I don't know why you sound like a chipmunk. The fuck?